are going to be doing some Scratch. So let's get started. First of all, let's get into Scratch. So to do that, get into any browser, or better yet, the Scratch app. But if you're in a browser, then basically you can just type scratch.mit.edu. Then you get into the Scratch. Now, you can sign in if you already have an account, or you can make your own account if you don't have one. And when you do have yours, go to My Stuff. Now, start a new project. So, this is the screen that we start out with. Here, we have our toolbox, which is where we get all of these stuff. This big middle section here is called our workshop, which is where we can do our work. And here is where our items, so what we code, have. These tabs mean different code, just shows you the code. Costumes will show you different costumes of the character you selected, and sounds will show different sounds. And just go to the sound library, upload some sounds, or record your own. Here, you can choose a backdrop. You can do upload one, surprise, paint, or choose one. And you can choose a sprite, which means a character. You can make your own, choose one, surprise you. You can let the computer surprise you, or you can upload one. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to make a bouncy ball animation. So let's choose our backdrop. There's all sorts of categories. There's all the backdrops, there's fantasy ones, musical ones, sport ones, outdoor ones, indoor ones, space ones, underwater ones, and patterns. I'll stick with patterns. And there's multiple backdrops in every category. I will choose circles. Next, let's go to events and get the when clicked block. And now we will go to the sprites category and choose a sprite. Since we are making a bouncy ball animation, I'm going to choose a ball, but you can choose any other ball type, like a beach ball, a basketball, a baseball, etc. Now, there are different balls you can see here. You can choose any color you want. I'll go with purple for now. Now, we got to get it when clicked. Let's just delete that. And so when clicked, go to. Let's do the middle of the screen. The coordinates of the middle of the screen are 0, 0. Perfect. Next, we are going to set its costume. Go to the looks category, and then do switch costume to ball E, or any ball. This one's the purple one, so there. Next, let's go to grab a blue. Go to motion and move steps. You can do any amount of steps you want, but I will stick with 10. So this is our thing. Now we're gonna do we're gonna go to control and then grab a if else conditional. The move but instead we're gonna switch it to touch edge. on edge back. Just kidding, we're not. We are going to do a turn block. Let's turn this way. And we go to operators and get a pick random block. Let's do negative 180 to 180. And then we put this, and then, yeah, I think that should be good. Let's try. Oh yeah, I just forgot one more thing. Another 10 steps. Works perfectly. Yeah, it does. Also, one more thing I would do is get a weight block from the control category and then move it to 0.1 just so it waits a while before it starts glitching. That works. Let's just do 0.3 just to be safe. Perfect. Next, this look a little boring, right? So we this category and get a switch costume to. Let's do a next costume block and then remove this. Looks good. Except one thing I want